welcome everyone. We are at IMTEX 2023 and we are having with us Mr. V.M. Paul, a Managing Director of VP Tools. Sir, could you please elaborate on your journey?
Thank you, ma'am. My name is Vishal Paul. I have started my business in 1995 as a single person to buy the material from Bombay and selling to my area Kolhapur. So just a trading business I have started in 1995 and I am become graduate person. So just trading started. Then I got the dealership of Sandvik Foreman in 1999.
Okay.
Then after every year we are growing. In 1995 first sale of our company is 2.97 lakhs only. Then every year we are growing and then after we are adding one more dealership in 2007, that is Lasser Swiss. After that till the time 2009 we are into trading business and 2009 we want to go into the manufacturer. Then we started the solid carbide tools manufacturing. We first buy one machine, that is Anka.
Okay.
Anka machine, 5-axis machine.
Okay.
Bought in 2009. And that time my partner Mr. Mahesh Bure, he joined in 2009. We have both together, we have started the manufacture of the plant, solid carbide tools. Then after that, every year we are buying, adding the expanding the facility of our manufacturing. In 2015, we got the chance with Acres SEZ, and we have installed one more facility, production facility in Acres SEZ. The name of our company is VP Aerospace. That's it. So then after we are manufacturing their cutting tools and pictures and supplying to the Aerospace Acres SEZ.
Okay.
So then after every year we are expanding our basket, and in 2015 we are the distributor for VFW machines for Kolhapur area, and we have 3-4 agencies. One is Sandvik Foreman, Lasser Swiss and VFW channel partner. All we have independent product sales teams. Then after every year we are adding the machines. We have a machine shop also. Now we got the dealership of Foreman in Pune also, and we are expanding our business from Pune to Bangalore.
Amazing. That's amazing. So talking about IMTEX, you have participated and this IMTEX is happening after 4 long years. So what is your company expecting from IMTEX show this year?
First time I have participated as an exhibitor in 2013.
Okay.
2013. That time I have only 2 machines. Solid carbide tools production, only 2 machines I have, and hardly we are 12 people. And right now in 2023 we have total around in group 300 people. We are serving to the engineering industry, oil and gas industry, aerospace industry. Our tools are supplied to every oil and gas, aerospace, agriculture industry, general engineering, everything. We are supplying the toolings, drills, reamers, strap drills, end mills, everything we are manufacturing. Sample tools, profile tools. So we have a wide range of tools, micro tools, everything is.
That's amazing. That's amazing, sir. That is amazing, sir. We wish you all the best on our expansion. We hope your company may grow.
Thank you, madam.